A little breathless now. Hi guys, I'm Nilanjana and welcome back to my channel. आज के इस वीडियो में हम लोग जा रहे हैं चंद्रताल की तरफ. It's such a beautiful combination of colors. Oh my god, this is so nice. रास्ते में हम लोग विजिट करेंगे Asia's highest bridge. Oh god! And also a beautiful temple. Although the distance between Kaza to Chandratal is not even 100 kilometers, but given the road conditions and a couple of stops here and there, you will easily take up to 4 hours to travel that road. The other point to keep in mind is that there is no public transport which will take you to Chandratal. After the Kunzum Stupas, you will have to reach a point on the Gramfu Batal Kaza Marg, from where you will have to off-road for approximately half an hour to reach the Chandratal base camps. So all this while it was Valley of the Sheep Grazers welcomes you. Now it's become Valley of the Yak which welcomes you post Kippa. So I'm keeping my fingers crossed to see more yaks than I've already seen on this trip. So many yaks, guys. So many of them. Hi guys, that's the Chichen Bridge, the highest bridge in Asia. When you reach the bridge, my 2 cents is that you should get out of your vehicle and walk across the bridge. Look at that, guys. So damn scary. Whoa! This tiny length of the bridge, which we can easily cover by feet, has helped the area cut down 40 kilometers from Kibber to Losar. The gorge this bridge is built over is 1,000 feet deep. Little stream which flows down below is the Samba Lamba Nala. How difficult this bridge and its construction must have been is clear from the fact that it has taken pretty much the same number of years to construct it as it took to construct the Taj Mahal. It's such a beautiful sight. That's the bridge. Guys, check that view out. I think it's amazing what wind, erosion, tectonic movement and water flow can do to the landscape of a place. Hi guys, so now we are at Kunzum Mata Temple, which is a very important stop for every vehicle crossing over for a blessed journey ahead, and that's exactly what we are praying for. But besides that, it's a beautiful temple with a beautiful backdrop of snow-capped peaks. मैं अकेला ही चला था जानिब मंजिल, मगर लोग साथ आते गए और कारवां बनता गया. Do you guys want to give your introduction?
I'm Aryan.
Yeah, so these 2 guys we met on the way to Chandratal and they're hitchhiking. How cool is that? Bye! For those of you who would like to spend a night in Chandratal, there is a campsite ahead of Batal, only 5 kilometers away from the Chandratal lake. Starting point of the Chandratal trek. Let's see how it goes. The weather is really clear, so I'm hoping to get a beautiful view of the lake. Let's go. So pretty now, the colors. At an easy pace, you can cover and complete this hike up till the lake in half an hour to 40 minutes. I'm so proud of myself that I'm even trying this. I was so scared last time and I'm so scared today because I'm an asthmatic and I've heard so much and read so much altitude sickness. And if you're an asthmatic, and if you're fearful for a trip like this and face your fear and do it, it's going to be so much worth it. It's going to be so much more than just a holiday. And I have a company of 2 amazing people who are so patient with me because I'm super slow any which ways. I'm like a tortoise. I just like it, like walking slow. Okay, I guess I can't walk and talk. I'll see you guys at the lake. It's really pretty and tiny from up here. Chandratal because it's a crescent shape lake, shape of the moon. just like that there. Can you guys see? क्या करे चले वहीं से? है? पैर को थोड़ा टेढ़ा रखो. The source of the lake is the glacial meltdown, and it feeds the Chandra River, which eventually flows into Chenab. A fun fact about Chandratal is that there have been multiple occasions when people have reported that they have actually seen a white balloon-like object floating on the lake and around the lake area. In fact, not many years ago, a team of ISRO scientists also reported the same. This perhaps is the closest one has got to sighting a UFO. Having khichdi for lunch after our Chandratal excursion. How's it? Nice? Guys, another thing is there is no connectivity here. So it's amazing how in an area which is so cut off from communication and so secluded, you get such amazing food, hospitality, and they get to manage their work. Hi guys, I quickly wanted to come here and share with you guys the fact that there is no electricity in Chandratal camps, base camps. Only for a couple of hours they give one bulb electricity in the evening, and then they shut it off because obviously there is no electricity besides the solar power here. So when you come, get flashlights and emergency lights, so it's easier for you to move out and move around in the tent. Also, inside the tent it wasn't really cold. I was very scared and I did not want to stay here. I wanted to stay in Losar, but we had to sort of stay here for the heck of convenience of traveling back to Manali. I think it was pretty convenient, and it's beautiful night sky because you can see the Milky Way. So it's pretty alright to stay here and don't be scared. Yes, it is cold, but it's manageable. मैं वचन लेती हूँ, मैं ना आज ब्रश करूँगी, ना मुंह धोऊंगी, ना कल सुबह ब्रश करूँगी, ना कल सुबह मुंह धोऊंगी. Look at the moon, guys. I had not seen a more beautiful morning in my life. The way the morning sun was reflecting on the snow-peaked mountain, the colors the sky had, everything about this morning was so gorgeous. Soon we will be leaving the valley behind. I felt so welcomed and so loved, for which I have an immense amount of gratitude to the mountains. I hope to be back soon someday, but till then these memories will stay in my heart